going to ignore the pots. Don't pay no attention to how big or small they are because it really does not matter. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm only betting 88 cents here at NYNY Casino. And if something goes, it goes, because it really is random. So I'm just gonna spin. Our friend Raven J just got the spicy bonus, so she's playing with that. It's a lot of fun. This one I didn't do too good last time, so I thought, well, okay, I'll try my luck. But I have to learn to ignore pots or bags or whatever it is. So, because that's all fallacy, right? It's a fallacy. It's just a trick. So if you ignore that and just play and look for your line wins instead, and that way if something happens, it does. And that's usually just the best way to play it, because you just never know when something might go off. I really like the NYNY Casino. It's just really, really nice. This is her total. She didn't get the grand, but she got $19.25. Not bad. There you go. For a big 60 cents. Okay. We're gonna go $1.76. Uh-oh. Oh! Just as Just as soon as I changed the bet up to 176 for first spin. Alright, there we go. Yummy, yummy, here we go. Okay, so to get the grand, you have to fill all the columns up. So you get 4 spins. So that re-triggered, nice. Nice, nice. I'm gonna keep going and get those. All right, so now I got the D. So then she'll take them away. Hey, she got upside and spicy. Look at that. As soon as she raised her bet. That's awesome. Okay, I just need one in each one of those so I can get a letter. Uh-oh, darn, darn, darn. Feature complete. But let's see what I get from that. $28, not bad. So I'm getting my money back that I put in. That's not bad. At least you got to see what that looked like. See, again, I just ignored the pot and then boom, boom. And sometimes when you do the minimum bet, you can get somewhere. Usually I find this the next one up and then boom, it hits more. But that's not really been the case so much this trip. So when I wasn't feeling it on the lower, I just popped it up, and then as soon as I did, you saw it hit. It was like boom. So it's not bad. $28.40. Yay! And that's how that one worked. It was very nice. We should watch what she does now. Oh boy. She had 2 pots go off. Look at that. Both of them are complete. And look at her go. Very nice. Very nice. So I'll go back. Into the spicy pot. Nice little line win. It's tiny, but that's okay. And she drops down. That's really nice. And if we get anything more, I'll give you guys a holler. But that's not bad. There's the yummy pot. Oh, look, before I did anything. And she was down at the bottom. Another yummy order. Yes, we're hungry. Ooh, we just had a chocolate covered strawberry, so we'll see how it goes. Yummy, yummy. She gave me 3. Hey, there we go. Okay. And 4 spins. Oh, yay, we got one. Order up. Here we go. And you get 4, I think, because I was playing the second bet up high on the low one. Uh-oh, come on, we need 1. There we go. Very good. Now we get reset to 4. Come on. Oh, nice. There we go. Come on. Nice. Keep resetting to 4. Need some over there on the left. Uh-oh, last one. Oh, yay!
Order up.
Order up. That's nice. There goes 22. Nice. Reset to 4. Nice. Awesome. Yay! I just need the G in the end.
Order up.
Wouldn't that be lovely? What a lovely trip that would make it. We would love you very much. Yes, we would. It would be extra yummy. Last one. Come on, give me another dumpling. Dumpling. Yay!
Order up.
Order up. I just need 2 dumplings away from the grand. The dumpling grand is, you see, it's 10,000. 2 dumplings away. 2 dumplings away. Come on, you can do it. Ooh. And look, she got the yummy too. Yay! I am 1 dumpling. Just 1 dumpling from 10,000. You might go flying in the air if I were to get that 1 dumpling. I would just like be amazed. Awesome, awesome. Yep, reset. Come on, you can do it. 1 right there, right there. Give me the G. Come on, baby, you can do it. Oh, come on. It would be nice. Oh, okay. So there you go.
Order up.
And it resets it, so I like that. We're gonna scream, we're gonna holler, we're gonna dance. We need the G. Oh, it's gonna kill me. 1 away, 1 away. Hey.
Order up.
Up to $54 now. Come on. What? Up. it. No, one dumpling away. One. Ah, darn, darn, darn. Didn't happen. But it was close. But it's a really awesome win. $69.90. Yeah, it's right. Oh my gosh, it's right. Very good. Oh no. She's now one away from the grand. Oh. We will scream, we will holler, we will dance. Oh my goodness. Yes, oh boy. We're gonna keep an eye on it. Very nice, gotta love it. There we go, $69.90. Woo-hoo-hoo. Very good. Nice, nice, nice. And that was from a one. This is why you don't pay no attention to those pots. That pot was just that little one, and just one little 250 shot it up. Isn't that amazing? That's what I said. It's a mind trick. So you gotta be careful of those. Ignore your pots and just play for your line wins. And then when it goes off, you'll be delightfully surprised. Hey, baby. Fun time. Here we go. Yay! We're here at flaming, big hot flaming pots. Oh boy. Uh-oh, I get two of, oh wow. This is crazy, crazy, crazy. All right, we're gonna press play. I got spicy and upsized. Oh, there's a spicy pepper. And that's going to increase all of those dumplings by that amount. I got the G. Order up. Here we go. That was pretty good. Like the third or fourth spin. Fifth spin, maybe. Hey, another pepper. Pepper, 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 pepper. Pepper, pepper. All those by 15. Oh yeah, very nice. Another pepper. Yay! But I already had that letter.
Order up.
I really, really didn't want to play another pot game, but this one's easy and it's cute. Another dumpling. I need another one down here. Yay, yay, yay. Excellent, excellent. Awesome, yay. Got that one, I got that one, yay. I got that one, woo. Love that. Oh, nice one. I needed that. I was losing other stuff at other slots. This is nice. It's going to help me back up again. 3 orders up. Here we go. Nice, nice, nice. I like her hands going, Very good. Very nice. Another reset to 3. Need something up top? There we go. Something at the bottom. Yay. I need to start filling in the other ones though.
Order up.
One up top, one at the bottom. One at the bottom. Need another one at the top. Yay! Got the D, I just need the R and the A.
Order up.
Yay! Now I need the R and the D.
Order up.
I wonder if you got letters on all of them, you'd win it twice. That'd be good. Wouldn't that be awesome? I don't know if that's how it works, but... Uh-oh. Top one needs one badly. Yeah, thank goodness. Oh, yeah, there you go. Yee, you got the yummy. Vegas fam got the yummy one. One up top. Aw. Bummer, man. Feature 1 complete. Feature 2 is complete. Oh, darn. But it's going to give me a nice little win. Now it's going to add them all up. Add up all those dumplings. Here we go. What a nice little win this is. I needed it. Very nice. Yee, oh my goodness, she's going, oh my gosh. That's nice. This is Big Hot Flaming Pots at NYNY Casino in Las Vegas. Make sure you do ring that bell. Don't miss out on anything new coming out. Slots or travel. A lot of weird and wild adventures. Come along and join with me. We're going to have some fun. Thank you guys. Until the next. Here we go. It's the upsize this time. Oh. Let's eat. Oh, upsized gives you the 2. Oh, okay, that's cool. I didn't know that. Oh, that's not good. We need to get more added into both of them. We need one up top and one on the bottom. There you go. Come on. Down below. Oh, I lost the feature at the bottom. Additional 3 spins awarded. Wasn't that nice? That was sweet of them. That was so nice. Thank you. It'd be nice if it did something. Come on. Give me one. Down below. Yeah, there you go. That's the way to do it.
Order up.
Whee! Good job.
Order up.
Order up indeed. That's awesome. Very nice. Nice. Yeah. Nice.
Order up.
Order up. Very good. Come on, we need to get some more. More dumplings, please. You can do it. One more at the top. Top. Ah. Bottom. There you go. There you go. Now the bottom needs one.
Order up.
There you go.
Order up.
Very nice. Both of them reset to 3. We need the A. Wouldn't that be lovely? Oh, nice. See, we need that A right there to win the grand, which would be a 10K. That would be nice. It makes you hold on for hope. Yay, got one down below.
Order up.
Come on, here we go. Got that before. Let's go. He's at the top. We need one at the bottom. Bottom, 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 bottom. Keep me going, keep me going, keep me going. Yay! There you go. Reset to 3. Top, top, top. Good. Oh yeah. Got another letter. Another letter down the bottom. Okay, come on, we need another one at the top. 119. There you go, there you go. Excellent.
Order up.
She's gonna give me my money back. Thank you very much. That's brilliant. Oh my goodness.
Order up.
Hey, 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 hey. Oh. Oh man, I need the same spot in both of them. Oh my gosh, that's just so, oh. Tension, tension, tension. Tension, tension, tension. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Ah.
Order up.
This is big hot flaming pots in New York, New York. Can you do it? No, no. I know we need the A. We need one there at the A. Oh my gosh. Oh. That would be like so amazing. Like, oh my God, I would die. I would be screaming like no tomorrow. Ooh, man. Talk about keeping you on edge. Top one needs one. Come on, give him one. Oh, that's out of it now. That's done. Now we're gonna focus on the bottom. Okay, we got to reset. That's good.
Order up.
Come on, you can do it. It's 1. Come on, give it to me. It would be very nice. Please, 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 please. Thank you. Got to reset. I'll take that. Oh, man. That is like, ah. Last one. Come on, you can do it. Give me 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Oh, darn. Need your 2 complete as well. That must be just a really difficult one to get. But talk about a really nice feature, nice win. It's better than the minor or the mini. Yay! How amazing! Make sure you guys do hit that like button. Give me a thumbs up. But most of all, subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Come along with me on my weird and wild adventures with WhatsUpWanda. Very nice. Thank you. Big hot flaming pots. That was awesome. And I'm back to the 100. Yay! I'm still down like 60, but that's okay. We'll see what we can do to get that back. Till next time. Alrighty, we are gonna say goodbye to the big hot flaming pots. Thank you guys for watching. Feel free to thumbs up, hit that bell to ringy dingy, and make sure you don't miss a thing. And we will talk to you guys later, and don't forget to subscribe to WhatsUpWanda.